Hello, and welcome to How to Build Wealth. Building wealth is a journey that usually happens slowly through consistent saving and disciplined investing. A key strategy is spreading your money across different assets, a concept known as diversification. Successful investors often think in decades, not days, allowing time for growth to compound. Remember, there are no guarantees. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Now let's explore 5 common ways people grow their money. First, stocks. Buying shares means you own a slice of real companies. Companies can grow through rising prices and dividends, which are portions of profit paid to you. However, stock prices go up and down daily, and it is possible to lose money. A common example is investing regularly in a low-cost index fund that tracks the entire market. Second, precious metals. Gold and silver are often seen as a store of value. Many investors use them as a hedge against inflation to protect their purchasing power. The risk is that metals pay no income, like dividends, and their prices can swing sharply. An example would be holding a small percentage of gold to diversify a broader portfolio. Third, real estate. Property can earn rental income and potentially rise in value over time. It offers a physical asset that can provide steady monthly cash flow. However, it ties up cash, has ongoing maintenance costs, and often uses borrowed money. A typical example is owning a rental flat that pays monthly rent while slowly gaining value. Fourth, cryptocurrency. Digital assets like Bitcoin have seen sharp rises in value. They are highly volatile and speculative, meaning they are considered higher risk. Because of this volatility, you should only ever risk what you can afford to lose. For instance, putting a very small percentage of savings into crypto as a high-risk experiment. Fifth, business. Building or investing in a business can offer the most control and upside. It allows you to build value through your own effort and strategic decisions. However, it also requires the most effort and carries a significant risk of failure. An example is starting a small side business that eventually grows into a steady income stream. As we conclude, remember to diversify your investments and always think long-term. Education is a continuous process, so keep learning about different financial tools. Always speak to a licensed financial advisor before making any major decisions. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Thank you for joining us at ABIEdu Academy. Good luck on your wealth building journey.